Hello everyone, I'm Jasper, the wiki fandom designer. Today, I'm gonna show you how to play the Rise of Undead Reborn pre-alpha. So, what are we waiting for? Let's just get straight into it. You will see the game will play the cutscene like in the no player online, like that. If you feel bored, you can press space to skip the cutscene. Yeah. When you're in the stream, you can see that you have a lot of buttons. First of all, if you want to join, you just press create lobby, and if you want to public or friend, you just press the private and select friend, private, and friend and public. If you have friend, just click friend and join, and let your friend join a stranger join. But if you want to let everyone join, you choose public. If you want to play solo for your, I don't know, you like it or you don't like it, it's up to you. Like me, I just play private for chat. So they have password. If you want to don't let everyone join, you can put password. Max player is have 12. I don't know why X need 12 player, not 5 or 6. If you choose all of them, you just press start to play the game. If you don't, you can press exit to exit the great lobby. There's a if you want to join other people, you press servers to join other people. Like this, like I'm doing. If your PC or trash, like you don't have a phone, like the PC with the GX, by 5,000 or 2,000, you can live the potato model for good reason. If you don't know how to control, just press the control to show how the game works. Like, and second of all, you can go shop and ask Hanako for the to sell skin. You can choose one of them because they are going the same way. When Hanako say this, please say yes, yes, yes and nah. Do not press the goddamn it. The last one, I beg you guys, don't. If you press yes, it will send you to the skin charm and rent coin. They only have a common skin for 100 Aussie, that's all. If you're done buying it, you just click goodbye. You can change point to Aussie coin. The more Aussie coin you need, the more they want your point. That's all. You can pay Robux for the Aussie coin if you were rich. That's all the video. I hope you guys have a good tutorial that I make. Like and subscribe my channel and have a good day. Goodbye.